So here's our Schwinn 270. If your hand grip heart rate monitors are not working, one thing you can check for is to make sure that the cable behind the seat frame assembly here is plugged in. So just pop this off. And make sure you're plugged in like this one is. You can see how this one pulls out and you've got some room to play with. So if yours looks like this when you pull it off, you've just got the cable sticking out about like that. Then all you gotta do is find and pull out the connection piece. And go ahead and connect them. I promise it's easier with two hands. So there you go. That cable can stay right there, and just put this cover back on top, snap it into place. And you are good to go.